Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to view payment history Netflix application in computer. So how to view payment history Netflix application in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to the Netflix application on your computer. Well, this is on the initial Netflix display. Here it is already on the initial Netflix application display. To view payment history Netflix, scroll down, keep scrolling until you find several menu options. Well, here there are several menu options. Tap the Help Center menu. Here it will automatically open the Netflix Help Center in your browser. Here there are many options, just scroll to the bottom. Well, here there are several menus such as changing passwords and updating emails and others. Tap View Payment History. Viewing payment history on Netflix is useful for tracking expenses, verifying payments, identifying problems such as inappropriate bills, managing subscriptions, and providing a clear picture of your subscription status. So that's it, tutorial how to view payment history Netflix application in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.